First step, we do the robot programming setup with proper procedure and correct welding parameters selection for the best welding result. Second step, after completed programming the robot, we run the simulation to verify the robot motion path. After we satisfy with the simulation, we continue to perform the robot welding and observe the result. Post-welding cleaning is important to remove sputter and slag. After the cleaning, we perform the die penetrant test to check for weldment defect. Firstly, the specimen need to be cleaned to remove the contaminant. Secondly, apply the die penetrant to the specimen and wait for some minutes. Last step, we apply the white developer and observe the specimen for defect.